Daily Report newspaper, Wednesday the 12th of June 2024. Night news, technology business news, information technology careers on demand. Today we're looking at the top 10 information technology careers that companies with tech ventures wants to hire skills and talent that will shape the future of the technology business. Number 1. Software developer. A software developer is the worker in technology business that upgrades the system of the phone application and computer applications, is the one who writes computer programs. A suite of programs that function as a single entity to accomplish a task, or group of related tasks. The Office software package includes a programmer's code processing, a software interface, and a database. In technology business operation, a software developer offers work of an abstraction used in software development to provide generic functionality for application-specific software. A complete piece of software. A set of instructions for a computer. This term can refer to either the executable form that a computer can execute, executable code, or the human-readable form, source code. Several programs, each of which does a task, can be collected as a software package or suite, and develops a software that is uniquely an organization intellectual property and can be licensed by the owner of the software when the project of development is done and ready to be used by customers. Number 2. Information and Communication Technology Manager. An IT manager in a workplace is available in the technology environment for the processing of data using computers, and the movement of data between computers. The creation of computer systems and applications, especially those that move data around a computer network, between clients and servers, or over the Internet. And also a professional who work with the company telephone and have the knowledge required to provide clients assistance when through the telephone or email whenever they have inquiries for IT business. A middle management worker who is with the computing and communications department of a multi-million-dollar organization. A middle manager in management with telecommunications. The science and technology of communicating, especially by electronic means for immediate customers' solutions. Number 3. Web developer. A developer in a software application that is accessed via a web browser, often over a network but sometimes offline. A person who designs websites and also sometimes creates professional websites for the technology company. A person who develops smartphones applications designed to be used via the World Wide Web and that can be downloaded in Apple Store or in Android Play Store. The information technology work involved in developing a website for the Internet or an intranet. Number 4. AI engineer. An engineer with an excellent experience and ability to offer intelligence exhibited by an artificial entity. Artificial intelligence is an operation in a branch of computer science dealing with the reproduction or mimicking of human-level intelligence, self-awareness, knowledge, conscience, thought in computer programs. The most important part of artificial intelligence and purpose of the organization involved is to have essential quality of a machine which thinks in a manner similar to or on the same general level as a real human being. Like a computer system that possesses artificial intelligence. In video games, a character or entity controlled by the game instead of a player. When a user is playing a video game and going against the computer, player 1 versus CPU, when player 2 is not around, the system can still make the game challenging when you're going against the computer. That's the remarkable part of AI, a computer system or software package which is artificially intelligent. Described by clients as an intelligent, self-aware computer or computer program. Number 5. Software engineer. A software engineer is one who designs and implements software solutions. He is also a great software skill in the resource for the subfield of engineering concerned with applying a systematic, disciplined, quantifiable approach to the development, operation, and maintenance of software. Software engineering is the level of confidence that software is free from vulnerabilities, either intentionally designed or accidentally inserted at any time. Hence, a software engineer in the workplace is in the operation to fix software when in error and to detect the problems of a system and successfully restore the system so it can be updated and automatically running well again. Number 6. Software archaeology is a worker in the operation that had the tools and books for the organization management of the previous generation of the company participants who developed the business and have decades of experience in the technology industry. It's a project where the software archaeology understand the decision of the process of the operation and have insight of the changes that took place. He looks into the hard project and the seasonal objectives or business obstacles that the techno staff had to overcome and a number of opportunities the business were able to get in the field. The study of poorly documented or undocumented legacy software implementations, as part of maintaining those systems. Other roles for a software archaeology can be a person whose job is to perform systems analysis by being responsible for researching, planning and recommending software and system choices to meet an organization's business requirements. Number 7. Cloud architect. A cloud architect deals with computing services provided over the Internet, whereby shared resources, software, and information are provided to computers and other devices on demand. The Internet, regarded as an abstract amorphous omnipresent space for processing and storage, the focus of cloud computing, also provides work in the software architect department. An architect of software based on technology, who prepares plans and superintends construction of that software. Other point of views will be the set of structures needed to reason about a given software system. Number 8. Record engineer. The newly position in IT for the future of engineering with a tech operation electronic mail, electronic book and electronic textbook, all the activities employed in making software ready for use. Undertaking projects that always needs update like an electronic commerce system, encoded computer instructions, usually modifiable and application software. Number 9. Data scientist. Data scientist is job of a scientist involved in data science. Data science can be an interdisciplinary field about scientific methods, processes and systems to extract knowledge or insights from data. A data scientist is a professional who is also involved in data management, with all the disciplines related to managing data as a valuable resource, such as data modeling or metadata management. He is also involved in data modeling, the process of creating a data model. The process of creating information model of English as a foreign language data with translation language to be understood by other people first language. It can also be any of many techniques in which data is retrieved, stored, classified, manipulated, transmitted or reported in such a way as to generate information. Especially such processing using computers, the scientific analysis of systems, and the interactions within them. Lastly but not least, it is necessarily a range of techniques used especially in commercial computing in which the needs of a company or its staff are analyzed and translated into a technical description of the necessary software, which is then created by programmers. Number 10. Cybersecurity engineer. A technology business cybersecurity engineer is an operational security that stands against electronic attacks such as cyberwarfare or cyber terrorism. What is cyberwarfare? It is warfare taking place on the Internet, as by disrupting critical online services. And a cyber terrorism, the deliberate, large-scale disruption of networks of computers, especially of computers attached to the Internet, by means of viruses etc. On the other side of the subject, it is of use to formulate plots or schemes, to plot or to scheme. With engineering skills that technology companies employ one's abilities and knowledge as an engineer to design, construct, or maintain a machine or a structure, usually for industrial or public use. That's it for now. Catch up next time in the article of Daily Report newspaper. Daily Report newspaper